continue to say this. What was the end me for beyond go jail? What they are trying? And then FIC, Financial Intelligence Center, almost easy won't me bank's account now, almost freezing account, any account related to account mining. FIC adding a start to bank account also. Now, if I say a Minerals Commission, I revoke account mining. Account mining license, any lease out the mining, and I revoke it. Now, your cat supply no, Sikabia amount champion. 2 account now a go on in yourself freezy suspected money laundering. As AG has been sued, I grow when so. I grow when so. Now somebody must see where you speaker in now. What does that why? Who bet mess you attorney general? Who dear grow? Who bet you attorney general? I grow when so. I grow when so. Yes, who see attorney general who see no be my lawyer back. No ne mo twi case no. Me see by the time am twi case na nwie no we jeli mu ina. Aya na mo say Ghana ye modia. Mo say Ghana ye modia. You want to sue the attorney general, the lawyer of government business, the chief prosecutorial, I don't know na Ghana, you know, prosecute here. You want to sue him and stop what? And then more evidence here. Then more. Me see Obama one of his deputies just to deal with you. Mobechi man sonne sa mani baba mo so no we jeli mu ina. Me see 2028 NPP will struggle to campaign because mo crofo ina be ko jail. I'm telling you. You don't know what is coming. And Adubu ahin kwabena adubu ahin na yeri gina court. Common 80 million Ghana cedis bail. Munya. Common 80 million Ghana cedis bail. But sika ye de ma wo no, wo sisa sika ni na ekosisi adan. Ele ko toto estate, wo hwia Ghana sika. Ele wo ne wo yere na nka nipa de nka wo bokron no a. Anka dwene wo yere no ma ho. Kwabena adubu ahin etimi bokron no ne yere ne masa bokron no. And you think these people will be walking and can this be opposition? I swear. Mrs. Uncle for it mean 1990 Ghana and your NDC be opposition and NDC will never come to power again. And President Mama know that. And can me, I would do 100% campaign against NDC for them to go to opposition. Now I'm on them all straight. You guys don't know. President Mama or you're very sharp. Me say already move to 1 step no we 2-3 steps. Obi onu wa bobra. Ni papa bobra. Onu akasa be bobra. Ni nuanom abobra. They've made life simple. They are helping others. They don't need your money. They won't steal from government coffers. President Mahama will never steal from government coffers. On fa Ghana sika nya hwe. Nya money na bre dia. And amoya beifo a. You claim that you have all the monies. And now and you wanted to be protected by this woman. And see, me say, huh? Operation Recover All Loot. Ora no, sikani na besaba. Ghana bejisa sikani na. And the President Mahama has demonstrated, say, clearly Africa can have a selfless leader who is not greedy like Akufo-Addo. President Mahama has truly demonstrated, say, Africa, you see bit menya president and as a leader bia or yes selfless. Our own Ghana sika to say President Mahama. President Mahama own Ghana sika. And now President Akufo-Addo appointees in Ejina court. This woman is gone. Afe shade for weni shade. Why ask Mama? You want to defend this woman? Nobody can defend. And are you kind? Samija Fika asking me say, when Mami wait time on Swan, nothing can save her, and nothing can save this woman when the time is up. And I'm telling you this: that Mami wait the time as soon, nothing can save her. Nothing. Obako. Jane Mensah so beko. I can promise you, Jane Mensah will also go. Afarijana yenya no krom ha say yenya Afarijana ho asema nkada. And then mami we soldier for na DJ Mensah chi na ya stripping it off. One say Jane Mensah kwa soldier for di na chi. There be obi akuno, obi anku no. Hwe Jane Mensah say ye mani soldier for e Ghana ha na mani tuo no mu fa me protect no because no odi bone. So she wasn't feeling comfortable. No odi Ghana for wu. No or try to make change the verdict of the Ghanaians, not their mobi. And now the buy ya stripping police for ni na ni soldier for na di wachi ni na afinachi. Jane Mensah obi abono. Obi akuno. Obi akoni fie. Obi anya no hwe. It tells you how wicked Akufo-Addo was ruling and misruling this country. Ameka semunchiro. President Akufo-Addo catch say Afanyama can say they should defend this woman at all costs. Nobody can defend this woman. Nobody. No person born by a woman can defend this woman. And then Saudi Bonia o cap bema. Mami we ni kuwa ye mebuso. You want to save this woman. Only Boni or the amount for. Only misjustice. Our dear man for a man, a man for Japadia say, a man, a man for this woman sitting there, she is evil. Only Bonini. We need not to entertain such a person to come across or around our judicial system. And then, why the mayor in area, you still wanted to protect the criminals. Mr. Bafu Boni, the new Chief Justice, is in town. The new Chief Justice is in town. You will see true justice system. You will see. After once a quarter, you better in the French Attorney General Aka Dominic Ayene on any deputy Samosai can say, look, there is one thing we won't do. Samosai Aka said there is one thing we will not do. Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayene can say there is one thing we will never do. That is, we will not go to court without evidence. Okay? They will not go to court without evidence. Attorney General Kasa Assembly. Same as I can say, they will never. Omo court and you must find that. And the NPP ni bi adene be court bi obedem. You don't know. Bouncem ma by papa ba bouncem. Bouncem. Also I won't like it. Also I won't share. Also I won't gift it. Why won't bouncem? Why I won't share? Why I won't like it? Why I won't gift it? Are they? Life kaka yeah. Why I won't share? Why I won't bouncem? Why I won't like it? Why I won't yahu? Share. Are they? And mama NPP before you be good life, you see bebre. And I make cancer, I'm sure almost fat. Now get you two Chief Justice. MP before the farm obey. Chief Justice wants a maba. And already once I catch him say, yeah. More be function in say Chief Justice and now the justices in the Supreme Court here and call myself. Yeah, call myself ba. Omo nipa ne mom to me no. And constitutional Ghana constitutional nyansa bebre e wo mo twiro ni tirim se omo nim se ebre bi beba ye benya Chief Justice bi o te se maami we they know. Olivia, no love. The framers of the constitution, S.K. Williams, they knew very well that a time is coming we will have a Chief Justice who will behave like a demon. It's a mami way. 18 Article 146 Clause 10 no share or say the removal of the Chief Justice. It is in the constitution. Opa go phone so Article 147 clause 10. The removal of the Chief Justice. Iti manu we yebe tu yebe yiwedi. Ni ya hwe say ye justice system no emu be frenchim. Afi omo mu di bone SML. Gabi mo bebi etu omo mbe court. Afi omo mu di bone. Akufo-Addo ba jankroma ambulance spare parts $34 million. Oni nempna Okoro Stephen Okoro Akufo-Addo, huh? You see one thing na do ya na emma me yem hihye me say ne mama ni na omo ni alatafo na twempena ho. Nanado Jata Abua senior man, I see you. Jata Abua, I see you. Nanado the man na misuro ne kese ne say ne mama ina no money alata for na twempena o money alata for na ewo. So you know what they did. Stephen Okoro any Akufo-Addo ba jankroma no omo create companies back 22 and whenever I buy any person on my contract oh say me boy how did I know oh it's true obeti my acquire research me I know me tia me ntwantro me I don't lie me nyini me ntwantro da me I don't know how to lie. And I will never lie. Me, I will never lie. I have never lied before and I will never. Omo muni na they know. Akufo-Addo ban the first born ni baby the first son akora ne abaya ne ba owo no. Oni alata ni na wo ye. It's a fact. Everybody knows this. Oni ma chiama mun kan show comment section one omo tro Alhaji Amuda Mone SK William they are telling you. And the oil said, "Omo creative companies on Papa Babamu 2017. They created 22 companies 2017 alone. Akufo-Addo Babano, and then them plan no ya Latin Stephen Okoro. And the mobile kaya COVID by no airport. Baby ane GG scanner. If Europe buy €100, if America buy $120. Any adena no mojijino e alata nini any Akufo-Addo ba na ko creative company e no mojiji scan no mo wie no mo ma Ghana 20% and alata nini di 80% na adwane ko ni krom all in the name ne say wa promise Akufo-Addo so be ware ne baba no wa ware girl wa ware no o mo wie no mo say koji ambulance spare parts. So more cra ambulance spare parts be about $34 million. Now ambulance near the buy any na no cran saying I want spare parts in quite $34 million. Spare parts is so man deliver. It's Akufo-Addo Baba say Obeko jail. She cannot escape prison. And yes, I will do demonstration against the NDC and President Mahama. So $150. Thank you for US passengers. And I'm Mr. Saddam Mokano or Momotan Americano. When they were coming, they were taking them $150 per head. Nina Lata Nini this kind of chrome. Sky train. Peter Mau. When now a railway minister by then. Sky train. Me also match one professor we. Meka ini di obi be kai mo comment section. Ya arresting ya the charge ato so Sky train Ghana ya bo ho ka $2 million Sky train na ma et train impo ye nyan et train cry ye nyan last summer me say I paid $159 and a PRO I say I paid $150 COVID era obi say I paid $100 I say when my family lands in Accra I say $900 straight Afritude, okay? Professor Amayo Kunfi, thank you, Dalali. Amayo Kunfi, he has been arrested. Amayo Kunfi, thank you. I like the way my listeners they resonate. Or we are quick, they know what we are talking about. So when you come here and you don't know what we are talking about, please drop and go. Life, naman for be your life. You can go there. What does I say? You have just earned a follower. Thank you, Ambitious Bank. I say I paid $300 for myself and my daughter. This is a